Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I want to appreciate all my subscribers, my new and old subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Winnie and this channel is about pattern drafting, sewing and fashion. So today we will be making an arc pointer sleeve. It's a very classy sleeve and I'll be making mine with a short sleeve just as it is in the thumbnail. So watch to the end if you're excited about learning this type of sleeve. Let's dive into the tutorial. So guys, for this tutorial you will need a pattern paper, you will need your boning, that's the Regilene boning, you will need your interface. So either you use your collar stay or peplum stay. You will need few pattern tools like your French curve, your scissors, and then you will have to cut your pattern paper 20 by 12 and fold it into 2 equal halves. Note that the arc pointing sleeve doesn't go around the armhole, just like the cap sleeve. So you have to decide where you want the arc pointing sleeve to cover. A normal medium-sized female armhole is usually 9 inches at one side of the armhole. So your arc pointing sleeve you can use 7 inches for the armhole. Instead of using 9 inches, you can use 7 inches, you can use 6 inches, depending on where you want it to cover. So guys, for the person I'm making the outfit for, I'll be making use of 7 inches. If you notice, the paper is on fold, so I'll be folding first of all before I mark my 7 inches. So I'll be starting from the points or the edge of the paper and I'm marking 7 inches as my armhole. Then from that same point on that folded area, I'll be coming down by 2 inches. Then I would connect both of them with a straight line, but because the armhole is not straight, I'll be using a French curve to connect both of them. So the next thing I'll be doing is to determine the length of my pointy sleeve. For the client, so I'm making use of 7 inches including my seam allowance. In other words, after taking the seam allowance, after sewing at that area, I'll be having 6.5 left, and so I'll be connecting from that 7 inches to my armhole on a straight line. Because I don't want it to be so straight, I'll use my French curve and give it a very slight curve. So after giving it a very slight curve, I would cut out immediately. And I'll label my work. I'll label this area as armhole, and I'll label this area as the length. I'm writing a big L at that area. That's the length of my pointer sleeve. So guys, I've placed my fabric on fold and I've placed my pattern. Look at how it looks while opened up. So I'll pin it up and I would place it on fold. So guys, I've gone ahead to cut it out and I've ironed my stay on it, my interface on it. Like I said, you can choose any kind of hard interface on it for it that would give it a structured look. And then I will place my Regilene bowling in a way that there will be space at that point I'm touching, and also there will be space at the edge of my sleeve. That space is so that it will enable me turn it with the main fabric when I'm ready. So I'll place my regular line boning this way, and then I'll measure how much I need. And I'll be placing this regular line boning on both sides of my arc sleeve, and so because of that I'll need 4 pieces of regular boning. And so guys, I'll be cutting out 4 regular bonings, 2 for each of my sleeves. So I'll go ahead, take it to the sewing machine, and I'll be sewing one side of my regular boning, and then I'll place the other one underneath it in a way that they both overlap at that junction where I'm pointing at. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew my boning in a way that both of them are overlapping. So you can see how it looks. They are both overlapping at that junction. One is placed under the other and sewn at one side. So guys, I'll go ahead and place my main fabric on it, right side facing right side, and then that space I left, that's half an inch I left for it, I'll use it to sew it, and then I'll turn it out. See how it will look when I'm done. See how beautiful it's going to look when I'm done. So guys, I'll just sew it, turn it out, and I'll bring it back for you guys to see after I have given it a very good press. Stay tuned to the end. So guys, I've turned it out, I've sewn it, and then I've turned it out, and I've given it a very good press. You can see how very beautiful it is looking, so flat and so beautiful. So guys, if you've watched this far, kindly give me a thumbs up and support my channel by subscribing to it. So guys, I'm going ahead to prepare my short sleeve. Don't forget, I plan to spice it up with a very short sleeve to cover my armhole, and so I'm going ahead to draft a basic short sleeve. So for this short sleeve, I'm making use of a length of just 5 inches. So I'll be adding a hem allowance of 1.5 to make it 6.5, and I'm drafting my basic sleeve, and I'm done with that. And I'll be adding my 1/2 inch allowance all the way at the armhole, and then I'll be cutting it out immediately. I need 2 of this for both arms, so I'll be placing this on a fabric and cutting it out as well, and then my short sleeves are ready. So guys, this is the outcome of my sleeve. Look at how pointy, classy and beautiful it's looking. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment, give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video guys. Bye.